Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So did you list your item in the wrong category? No problem. Facebook Marketplace lets you change the category in just a few taps. And choosing the correct one can dramatically improve visibility. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to change category on Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So what changing category means? Changing the category allows you to show your item in the correct section, appear in relevant searches, increase qualified buyer traffic, and improve trust and clarity. So correct categorization affects search placement. So first thing first, open the Facebook application, tap the marketplace icon. On desktop, click marketplace from the left sidebar. So now tap your profile icon, okay, this one. So select your listings here. As you can see, you will see all active listings, okay. So tap the listing you want to update. So you don't have to tap it, so just tap the three dots here, select edit listing, okay. This opens the editing screen, okay. So as you can see here, this is the editing screen. Tap the current category field, browse or search for the correct category, select the most accurate option, okay. Be specific, choose relevant subcategory, and specific categories rank better. You have to know that. And then save changes. So review your updates and tap save. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.